Are you tackling a DIY project in Mount Pleasant, Tennessee? Need a hassle-free way to manage waste? Welcome to Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters, DYD LLC, your solution to easy and efficient dumpster rentals in Mount Pleasant, Tennessee. At Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters, DYD LLC, we empower you to take charge of your projects with our user-friendly dumpster rental services. Our range of dumpsters is designed with your needs in mind, simple, effective, and ready for any project, big or small. Tackle your projects head-on, knowing that Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters, DYD LLC has your back with our top-notch dumpster options. Whether you're renovating your home, landscaping your garden, or embarking on any DIY venture, we've got you covered. No project is too big or small. Our dumpsters cater to every DIY need in Mount Pleasant, Tennessee. We pride ourselves on punctual delivery and pickup, ensuring your project stays on schedule. Don't let waste management be a roadblock. Call us at 615-290-2029 for a DIY-friendly solution. Navigate our website at www.diydumpsterstn.com Dumpster Rental Mount Pleasant TN and find the perfect dumpster match for your project. Transform your space and leave the cleanup to us. Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters, DYD LLC, your trusted partner in dumpster rentals. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to progress. One dumpster rental away.